Breaking up with your boyfriend can be one of the toughest things you'll ever go through, especially if you still have feelings for him. But the good news is that winning back your ex-boyfriend is not impossible. With the right strategies and a little bit of effort, you can rekindle your relationship and rebuild the love you once had. In this video, we'll show you some simple strategies for success on how to win back your ex-boyfriend. Make sure to watch this video to the end so you don't miss anything. So let's get started. How to win back your ex-boyfriend. Number 1, take time to reflect. Before you start working on getting your ex-boyfriend back, it's important to take some time to reflect on what went wrong in your relationship. Be honest with yourself and take responsibility for any mistakes you made. Think about what you could have done differently and what you can do to prevent those mistakes from happening again. This is an essential step to understanding the situation and improving yourself. Number 2, give him space. After a breakup, it's important to give your ex-boyfriend some space. This means not calling, texting, or messaging him constantly. Let him have some time to process his emotions and come to terms with the breakup. It's important to respect his decision to end the relationship and give him the space he needs. Number 3, be positive. When you do start communicating with your ex-boyfriend again, it's important to be positive and optimistic. Don't bring up past issues or problems, and don't dwell on negative emotions. Focus on the good times you shared together, and let him know that you still care about him. This will help to build a positive connection and create a foundation for a potential future relationship. Number 4, improve yourself. During this time, it's important to work on improving yourself. Take some time to focus on your own interests, hobbies, and goals. Exercise regularly, eat healthily, and take care of yourself. This will not only make you feel better about yourself, but it will also make you more attractive to your ex-boyfriend. Showing that you're taking care of yourself and making positive changes in your life can be a powerful way to attract him back. Number 5, communicate. When you do start communicating with your ex-boyfriend again, it's important to be open and honest. Share your thoughts and feelings with him, but also listen to what he has to say. Communication is essential for any successful relationship, and it's important to establish this from the start. Be patient and understanding, and try to see things from his perspective. Number 6, don't be pushy. While it's important to communicate and express your feelings, it's also important not to be pushy. Don't pressure your ex-boyfriend into getting back together with you. Respect his feelings and his decision, and don't try to force him to do something he doesn't want to do. This will only push him further away and make it more difficult to win him back. Number 7, take it slow. If your ex-boyfriend does agree to start seeing you again, it's important to take things slow. Don't rush into a new relationship, and don't expect everything to be perfect right away. Take the time to build a strong foundation, work through any issues that come up, and establish trust and communication. This will help to create a more stable and long-lasting relationship in the future. We hope this video has given you some valuable insights and strategies on how to win back your ex-boyfriend. Remember, it's important to take some time to reflect on what went wrong. Give him space. Be positive. Improve yourself. Communicate. Avoid being pushy, and take things slow. By following these simple strategies, you can increase your chances of winning back your ex-boyfriend and creating a strong and healthy relationship in the future. Share it in the comments below. Make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any videos on Empath Shade channel. And thanks for watching.